looking for an extremely clean truck, well taken care of, wow, pay attention on this one. 1994 Ford F-150 XLT, regular cab, 4x4, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, has always been within the same area around us. 60,000 miles, just a little over, is all this truck has on it, and it shows. Wow. LA is the paint code. This is royal blue metallic. Take a look at the front grille, headlight surrounds, bumper. This truck will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see how nice the paint is on the hood. This truck has definitely been stored indoors. There's a 5-liter underneath there. 5-liter V8, automatic transmission with overdrive, push button 4x4, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Has a 2.5-inch lift by springs, so 2.5-inch lifted springs, polished wheels, Cooper radials that are like new, Nerf bars, windshield visor, as you can see back there, soft tonneau cover. Take a look at the still pictures of this thing. Underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description if you're seeing this on YouTube. It's going to take you right there, 507-386-1726. It's a number you can call. I'm going to let you look down this passenger side real quick. You can see, free of nicks, dings, scratches, and look at how straight this is. This is original paint. Has an auto trim design graphics package on it. Very popular. This truck was new. And now let's look at these lower rockers, around the wheel wells, down to the cab corners. This thing has not been driven in inclement weather. There is no doubt about that. Interior, yeah, it looks as nice as the exterior. So blue cloth interior, free of rips, tears, holes, stains. There's nothing to hide on this one, folks. And remember, open door policy to third-party inspectors. Can't make it see it yourself, maybe because of time and distance possibly. We have an open door policy. For this one, the miles on it, clean Carfax. There'll be a driving video at the end of this. You can see what it's like to drive it down the road. Probably kind of be wasting your time to have an inspector come look at it, but hey, we have an open door policy for them. Have them check it out. I think they're going to find what I've shown you in this walk around and all the still pictures. Remember, we can also assist with transportation. Financing is available. And of course, we do consider trades. 2 tanks, as you can see, on the driver's side. And this look from the rear to the front down the driver's side. Again, look at how straight that is. The finish on the paint. Free of, again, scratches, chips, anything major, dings. You might find an imperfection in here, but tell you what, I really haven't yet. Lower rockers around the wheel wells. I gotta look in the bed. I haven't seen the pictures on this one yet. That's not, yeah, that's kind of what I figured. You'll be able to see the bed. Pics in with the still pics. Roll that tonneau cover up. Take some good pics that you can see. All right, let's look at this interior a little closer. Seems like a time capsule. Power windows, power locks. Does have cruise control. Look at this seat. Now remember, sometimes on these certain colors, if I stand back, there's the true color. Sometimes it wants to wash the color out when I get up close with the camera. That's the true color of that nice looking interior. All right. Check those exact miles. 60,902. There it is. I'll fire it up. All right. So that was just like an airbag, just a light saying things working, goes back off. It's all good. No warning indicators, no check engine lights, nothing like that. All the gauges work. AM FM cassette, stereo does work. Push button 4-wheel drive, also working. So let you know it's on right there. AC blows cold. So interior matches the exterior, and we're gonna get that hood popped. I'll let you hear how it sounds. Pretty much what you expect. Again, 5-liter automatic overdrive trans, clean Carfax. Always been in the same area within about a 10-20 mile radius since new. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second, get the hood open. Don't forget at the end, do a little driving video, take a little virtual ride in this truck. There's the underside of the hood. Sorry you're getting a little glare from that light. That is obviously working. Very good. Look at this. There's still tags, tape, stuff that would have come on this truck new that typically is long gone by now. There's a battery disconnect here too, so if you have it in storage. Look at lack of corrosion. This thing's amazing. (1994) F-150 XLT regular cab, 4x4. This one speaks for itself, folks. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1994 Ford F-150. This truck is a 4x4. Nice dark blue color. I guess you could say this is the second gen of square bodies. The truck still had that square truck look. This truck is only showing 60,900 miles on it. Nice low mile 1994 F-150. Good acceleration in this truck. Great feel, the steering, the throttle response. It still feels like a new truck. The fuel gauge is working, showing 1/3 of a tank, as is the temperature gauge, a little bit less than 1/3 of the way up. The oil pressure right in the middle of the gauge, and the battery a little over half. That's all good. Factory tachometer on the dash of this truck. Factory radio still works. AC is blowing cold on this truck. I do like the high vantage point you get in these pickup trucks. I feel like I'm at the right height. Corners really well. This truck doesn't lean much in the corners at all. Cup holders down below in the front of the seat. Wipers work. Also, a really nice F-150. If you've been looking for one and they're hard to find in this good a condition, check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.